What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the KTM build. What do we got going on today? Gonna do the valves, which I just finished, so they're already done. Gonna do an oil change. I've got some things to clean up with the Prime MX wheel. For starters, we got the radiators. I'm gonna clean those up, or at least the tops and the bottoms. Make it look real nice. Got the pipe. I'm gonna clean that up as well a little bit, as best I can. I don't know how well I'm gonna get that out. Mufflers too, we'll get that all shined up. New wiring harness. And then we've got the carburetor to go back on, which needs nothing. So without further ado, let's start with the valves. So for your valve adjustments, I remove the tank mount so I can take the spark plug out. You have this screw here that lines up at top dead center with a cross marking in the flywheel. You take off the copper washer and you bottom it out. If it bottoms it out all the way, you are in that cross mark at top dead center. But we need to make sure we're at the compression stroke. I have one side of my valves at free play, and the other side of my valves don't have free play. So I'm not confident I'm at top dead center on the compression stroke. So I'm gonna pull the spark plug out. I'm gonna cycle the motor over one more time using a screwdriver to see where I'm at. I'll cycle the motor over one more time till my screwdriver gets back up to top dead center and see if I have free play in the valves. Forward. Put down. That goes down. Okay, so after doing so, pistons at the top, free play, you can hear it, but I don't have free play in the front, but I'm definitely where it needs to be. If I go 180 out the other way, none of them are free. So I think my fronts are just too tight. Ran that bolt all the way down into the notch. Sits flush, so I know I'm right there where I need to be. Let's get to the adjustments. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this. I am going to take a clean, because we're in the motor, 10mm wrench, and a clean small flathead screwdriver. I'm just gonna lightly break these open. It specifies 0.02 to 0.1 millimeter of clearance. So I'm going to shoot for 0.05 millimeters. So I'm going to take my 3/1000ths, which is 0.08 millimeters, and I am going to take this right here. I'm going to go up with that till that goes in there. And I'm going to slowly come down on it until it's got a heavy drag. Right? Now, take that up. If I can't pull it out, I went too tight. But I can pull it out. I should now be able to take my 0.05 millimeter, which is a 2/1000ths, to go right in there with a good drag. Yep. Good. Back to my 0.05 millimeter. She goes all the way in there. Go to the other side. She's all the way through. And if I go back to my point 1, shouldn't even start. Oh yeah. Money. Point 1, won't even start. Can't even get it to go in. So now I'll do the same with this one and the 2 exhaust valves, and then we'll move on. Rocket covers back on, fresh gaskets. All 3 of the bolts are 10 Newton meters, which comes out to 7.3 foot-pounds of torque. But you did, and I hate her. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Radiators. Prices averted. A little bit spilled. See if I still have enough. Whoopsie. Next.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you...
Brand new start button, brand new stop button. This is a fan switch that I wired up to keep the battery from dying when you shut the bike off. I had to die in a race. And it was no fun kicking this monster for the rest of that race.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing. Got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit. I won't give up this, cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Do is check for spark, and at the same time make sure my kill switch works, just to make sure I didn't do anything wrong here on the wiring. I see spark. How about if I hold the kill switch? We're golden. It's gonna be the first fire, I hope. Actually, I'm kind of nervous. I'm just putting the jump box on it just in case. Never know. Choke. Can't reach it. I can't pull a choke. Okay, choke's pulled. Let's hit a button, I guess, right? Frick. Alright. Kicker installed. Damn, two. Dirty air filter that was just to fire it up. There you have it. It runs, and it runs freaking good. I'm so gassed up right now. You guys have no idea. No idea. As you can see, I have a few things left to button up. I'll save that for the next video. For now, that's its first of many heat cycles. I'm gonna come back out here tomorrow, I think, and button some more things up. Get some graphics ordered, clean up the plastics. I'll finally be able to take it for a ride. If you like following along, you like this 450 build, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.